If you want to build muscle, you have to consume a lot of protein. Hey, it's Dr. Anna Toger, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon. And when I tell my patients, consume a lot of protein, because I want them to maintain their muscle mass or even build muscle mass, they all get nervous about the kidney stone problem. Because people who consume a lot of protein, if they don't do it properly, can develop kidney stones. Why does that happen? That happens because of an acid-base imbalance. When you consume protein, particularly meat, fish, eggs, milk, this will cause an acid environment. So for 3.5 ounces of meat, you will create about 8 milliequivalents of an acid. In this acidic environment, if you do not offset that somehow, you can precipitate calcium in the urine and create a kidney stone. So how do you offset that? If you are a carnivore person, this may be a little tricky for you. You might have to take a vitamin D supplement. You might have to actually take a calcium supplement, believe it or not, because patients who consume high amounts of meat lose a lot of calcium in the urine. But then you also want to alkalinize your life. You might need to take alkalinizing agents such as apple cider vinegar, lemon, alkaline pH water, mineral water. These things can all alkalinize the system in the presence of meat, which makes it acidic. Now, if you are an omnivore, then have a spinach salad. 3 ounces of spinach will make 11 milliequivalents of base, and 3.5 ounces of meat makes 8.5 milliequivalents of acid. So a spinach salad with an apple cider vinaigrette is going to completely offset the protein that you're about to consume. So in this way, you don't have to eat low protein. I don't ever advocate for a low protein diet, but you do need to keep chemistry in mind, offset the acid with the base. That way you can prevent kidney stones and problems.